Hello my friends, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. Sorry I've been away for a while, but now I'm back with more amazing recipes. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela and I help women gain to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. So today we're going to be making real chicken nuggets, not pieces of chicken cut out and then coated in pork rinds or some other stuff. We're going to be making the real process to make chicken nuggets. They're soft, juicy and spongy like the ones you eat at McDonald's or you buy at the supermarket, and coated in a crispy butter, 100% carnivore. So as you can see, I'm just cutting up the chicken and putting it into a food processor. This is essential to make the emulsion. Emulsion is essential for chicken nuggets. So for this recipe, I'm using chicken breast because that's the only thing I had at home, but I really recommend using chicken thighs, preferably with even skin on, and blend the skin as well. A little tip here is to use half frozen meat. The colder the meat, the easier and more smooth your emulsion is going to be. You can also add a few ice cubes to help the process. I also add a splash of milk, but that's totally optional. You can also add all the spices you wish. I added just onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. So when your emulsion is ready, with wet hands you're going to form your chicken nuggets. You can form chicken balls, anything, any shape you want basically. And then you're going to freeze them. So at this point you could have made them the day before or the week before, it doesn't really matter. When you're ready to fry them, you're going to first coat them in some unflavored whey protein powder. I'm using whey protein isolated, but as long as it's whey protein powder, it's going to work. Don't ask me if you can use any other protein powder because I don't know. I know that this works. I wouldn't know if any other protein powders works. You're only going to be using a few tablespoons for all the chicken nuggets. So don't worry too much about dairy content because you're gonna get like minimum. So while the oil is getting hot, and this is really important that your oil is getting hot while you prepare the butter, you're going to whisk 2 egg whites until they're like frothy and kind of creamy, and add 1 tablespoon of whey protein powder. If like me, you see you have a few lumps, just use the whisk to get all the lumps off. So once the oil is hot, you just dip your chicken nugget into the butter. You can also re-flour it with a bit of whey, and then you fry it. Fry a medium low heat. Don't try and do it too fast because it's going to burn. This butter really gets really nice and golden. And another tip, I would not try to cook the chicken nuggets through in the pan. I would just get them golden and then finish them off in the oven or in the air fryer like I'm going to show you later. The reason for this is that the butter is going to burn before the chicken nuggets are cooked through. But you can also try and have a bit more patience and just fry them nice and slow. I'm frying my chicken nuggets in pork lard. You can choose tallow, olive oil, avocado oil, but I prefer either duck fat, tallow, or pork lard. So I fried all the chicken nuggets, and then when I was ready to eat them, I just put them on a air fryer tray, and I gave them another 5-minute blitz. This means that you can also cook all your chicken nuggets, freeze them, and when you're ready to eat them, put them into the air fryer, and they're gonna crisp up again. And look at them, they're like juicy on the inside, nice crisp on the outside. I forgot to mention, I also added some lard inside the nuggets because the chicken breast was so lean. But yeah, this is the result. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content. And I wish you a lovely day. I'll see you next time. Bye.